In this video, we'll show you how to enable XMP or DOCP in the BIOS. As you can see, I have RAM with a rated speed of 2666 MHz. However, in the Task Manager, you can see it's running at only 2133 MHz. By default, XMP or DOCP is disabled for compatibility reasons. This prevents post issues caused by incompatible RAM or overly aggressive overclocking settings. Here's an example on an ASUS motherboard. Without XMP enabled, the RAM operates at the default speed of 2133 MHz. On ASUS motherboards, you can enable XMP from either Easy Mode or Advanced Mode in the BIOS. After enabling XMP, the RAM runs at its rated higher speed. Here's how to enable XMP on an ASRock motherboard. Here's how to enable XMP on a Gigabyte motherboard using either Easy Mode or Advanced Mode. Here's how to enable XMP on an MSI motherboard from Easy Mode or Advanced Mode. DOCP, or Direct Overclock Profile, is an overclocking profile designed by ASUS for AMD motherboards. XMP and DOCP serve the same purpose but have different names depending on the platform. Here's an example of enabling DOCP on an ASUS motherboard. In some cases, after enabling the XMP, you cannot access the Windows or BIOS setup page. So, you need to clear CMOS. Open your PC case and find the CMOS battery holder on the motherboard. Remove the battery by pulling out the tabs on the side of the CMOS battery. Wait for a few minutes, then put the CMOS battery back in. In some motherboards, the BIOS battery is wired. To reset the BIOS, remove the CMOS battery 2-pin cable from the motherboard. Wait for at least 30 seconds, then connect the CMOS battery 2-pin cable back. Plug in the power cord and power on the PC. After the PC is turned on, there will be a prompt that the BIOS settings have been reset. Follow the prompts and to enter the BIOS setup. As you can see, by default, the X.M.P is disabled. You can load the default's optimized settings, then boot into your Windows normally. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.